What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video for the PlayStation 5, where today I'm going to be showing you guys a really big mistake that a lot of PS5 users are making, and this mistake could potentially cause future issues with your PlayStation 5 and the NVMe SSD expansion. So if you're someone who will be using an upgraded SSD with your PlayStation 5, I recommend that you watch this video so you don't make this same mistake. Now, to show you guys what I'm talking about, we're going to first remove the side plate from the PlayStation 5. And now that the plate has been removed, I'm going to draw your attention to the PS5 SSD expansion bay. Now, as some of you already know, the PlayStation 5 will allow you to upgrade your internal storage capacity with your own NVMe M.2 SSD. And the way you do this is fairly simple. You just take off this cover, and then you can install your extended storage. But this is where a lot of users go wrong, because what I've been noticing is that a lot of the beta testers who already have access to this feature are installing the SSD in the heatsink, but they are not reinstalling the SSD expansion bay cover. And a lot of this is due to the assumption that by somehow placing this cover back on will somehow reduce airflow to the SSD. Because if you didn't know, these NVMe SSDs can reach pretty high temperatures when being pushed to the absolute limit, which is why having proper airflow and temperature control through a heatsink is usually recommended. Now, the problem is that what most PS5 users don't know is that reinstalling this SSD expansion bay cover is actually necessary to properly cool the SSD expansion bay itself. You do not want to neglect reinstalling this cover because, according to the VP of Mechanical Design at Sony, the PlayStation 5 uses negative pressure with the internal cooling fan to remove excess heat from the SSD expansion bay. And in order for this negative pressure effect to happen most efficiently, you need to properly reinstall the expansion bay cover to your system. And not doing so could actually be doing more harm than good. If you look closely inside the SSD expansion bay, you can see the small vents where the heat is sucked through and removed from the system. Another big reason is that the SSD expansion bay is located right next to the air intake vents on your PS5. And if you take off the side plate, what you'll notice is that this general area can become very prone to the buildup of dust. And the last thing that you would want is the accumulation of dust and buildup to get inside of the expansion bay. So I say all of this to remind you guys to please reinstall the SSD expansion bay cover if you plan on upgrading your PS5. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on this video, comment below to let me know what you think. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys next video. Boys.